Good morning.
Thank you for chief guest. The site is SDP program, which is it will be very effective for our nursing profession and for your upgradation to implement for the students' future. Here, this gathering is a testament to our faith. The theme of this workshop: imparting innovative essentials of the evolving landscape of healthcare. The role of nursing educators has never been more significant. Our responsibility is not just to impart knowledge, but to inspire, guide, equip our students with the skills and compassion necessary to excel in their future careers. Nursing education is the cornerstone of a complete of nursing. So, to ensure that we should focus mainly on evidence-based teaching practices, innovative pedagogical strategies, teaching effectiveness to inspire innovation in nursing education. By the end of this workshop, we hope to spark new ideas which will transform our teaching practices positively to impact our students. We welcome you all for this FDP and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us what the theme of Friday's workshop. It is now time to listen to the words and thoughts of the dignitaries in the front. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles.
See, I'm taking a simple step of philosophy or this theories. These are some vague concepts where people will have less interest to grasp it. So what you can do, you can give a debate. You can assign. You might have heard about the different methods like a 1 minute paper. Have you heard of this technique? 1 minute paper. Okay? Or a blended learning. Okay? In that case, if you have 1 minute paper, you assign them this particular philosophy. Let them read for a while. Right? And arrange a debate competition there. Everybody will defend their own philosophy. You see the effectiveness of learning in that case. So that is what the methodology which you are going to build in your lesson plan. It has to be, it should give the, means you have to recall what will be the outcome of this. Okay, so it depends ultimately on what is your philosophy of dealing with particular context in that particular context. There is another definition. Lesson plan is a little given, it is a title given to the statement of achievements to be realized. Especially these, like these are to be attained and the result of the activity.
The inaugural session is on the way. So if you want, you can have a short break of 2 minutes and I request to come back quickly. Then Principal Ma'am has already gone to receive PC Sir and the academics, so I request to be back on time.
With the mental development of the learner. So we know that we are doing also, we are identifying the slow learners, we are identifying the fast learners, advanced learners and all. Why we are categorizing this? Because based on identification, we have to give them particular time. We have to give them as the mentors, we have to give them particular time for sharing their problems, to sharing their academic limits and all, right? So this is, and this also we have to be included in this curriculum and to work for the students. your time. So these are the four identified forms of learning by Barclay. Honey and Mumford, they have also given certain learning styles, but this learning style adopted by Honey and Mumford, that is actually resting upon the goals, and this is the basic learning style which is actually making relevance in this, and I will be giving this. Now, writing and kinesthetic or tactile. Now, when we say that they fall.
Thank you to express our gratitude to all those who have made this day possible and have contributed their valuable time. And I now call upon Ms. Shadu Pandya, PG Tutor, to propose the vote of thanks.
So, I stand before you with immense gratitude and profound sense of appreciation as we gather here today to express our heartfelt thanks for the successful beginning of the event, 5 days of workshop at our Extreme College of Nursing. First, foremost, I extend our sincere appreciation to our Vice Chancellor, Sir, Professor Dr. D.K. Jain, for providing unwavering support and guidance. Thank you, sir. A special thank you to Dr. Nirma Jain, Director Governance of Applied Health Science and Training, for spending her valuable time with this program. Thank you, ma'am. My heartfelt gratitude to the Dean of Nursing, Dr. S.P. Subhash, for her motivation and continuous support during this program. Thank you, ma'am. Principal of Pajna College of Nursing, Dr. Shri Singh ma'am, and Vice Principal of Mahavir College of Nursing, Professor Dr. Jasmine ma'am, for her constant support and encouragement in making this event memorable for all of us. Thank you, ma'am.
Workshop on 50 standard learning by faculty of nursing.
HODs, faculty members, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
It is my proud privilege that I have been invited to talk to you on one of the topic which is extremely important for all of us. But for last about say half an hour I have observed certain things. Please remember, my job is not to criticize anybody, but my job is to critique you. Whenever I find it is required to be, it is not right, I must give you the advice. You know, the biggest distraction in any conference or any faculty development program is the child. It should never be allowed in between. All these things should not be there when you are doing, the thing. It should be all outside. This is only my advice I am telling you. I have observed it many times, what happened? No, that he is not doing this correctly. Okay, let me tell you, many times the previous VC sir, while we used to walk around here, he used to tell me, no, this is not the correct pronunciation for this word. This is the correct pronunciation for this word. Right? So, वो चीजें हैं जो दूसरों को पता है, मुझे नहीं पता. बताइए. अच्छा रिश्ता बनाने के लिए कौन सी खिड़की बड़ी होनी चाहिए? चौथे वाली को मैं नहीं जानता, दूसरों को नहीं जानते, वो कहते हैं डार्क विंडो, राइट? क्या हो गया है? अंडरस्टूड? और उसका तरीका क्या बड़ा करने का? ये
See, there are two kinds of thinking. First of all, you understand, then we come on to the learning. Okay? There are two kinds of thinking: divergent thinking and convergent thinking. When you are having a lot of brainstorming session, so n number of ideas comes into the group. Is it? We just throw a word.
Or respected Vice Chancellor, Sir, Dean
request Dr.
A very warm good morning to one and all present over here, respected dignitaries and my dear colleagues of both the colleges of nursing. Satyam Pada Dharmam Chara, greater pronouncement of the ancient Upanishad, and it is the only possible through learning. Learning is the only thing the mind never exhausts, never fears and never regrets. The whole of life, from the moment you born to the moment you die, is a process of learning, lifelong process of keeping abreast of change. The beautiful things about learning is that no one can take it away from you. It is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And learning takes place through education. Education is the improving the lives of others.
Analyze the student's performance. How much has he learned? You gave your 100%, but it is not necessary that the student will get all of it. That is why when we get the result, we see that some students get distinction, some get first class, some fail. Why? Because of the help of this criteria. Okay? So all these components must be involved in the objective, only then your objective will be complete. Okay? Let me explain these things with an example. Okay? Let's look at the first example. Just go through this example.
And we are having a sweating. What because we are cooling our body temperature. They are only bringing the AC. But suppose if in this room if the ACs are not working, it is a lacking now. So the another definition of the need is anything that is missing or lacking in a person's life. एक पर्सन के लाइफ में वो चीजें नहीं है, that is also known as the need. So why it is learning and the need if we put these two words together, learning and need. Learning and need is defined as a gap in knowledge that exists between the desired level of performance and actual level of performance. And when we have do any teaching or
This is the question. Then you all have demonstrated that you all know what exactly assessment is. Next is you will do assessment. You will learn, you will understand, you will prepare some of the lessons you will do, and then you will perform. You will be able to evaluate, perform. So when we do this, these are again further divided into cognition aspects. Now this cognition aspect is understanding and knowledge. You all agree? So the basic hierarchy starts with the understanding, and that understanding turns into a knowledge bag, a bag of knowledge. अरे उन्हें बड़ा ज्ञान है, ये बहुत knowledgeable teacher, इनके पास ज़्यादा knowledge. Now based on what? Because when you are trying to communicate, when you are trying or asking them questions, they do answer for your questions. They do make you understand. So आपको लगता है कि हाँ, they know very well. So this is the cognition part. Shows how is performance part. In other terms, you can say skill. In other terms, you can say skill. Now when it comes to your affective domain, to your entire this process, you will be going through the affective domain. The behavior, the understanding, the mannerism, how well they respond, how well they listen. So this is assessed in the entire process.
Of that, where basically we had an activity session where you all are required to construct
पूरा किया है, BSc पूरा किया है, पोस्ट फिजिक्स पूरा किया है, but still they have been on the same track. Same questionnaires will be asked in the interview panels. आप चाहे किसी भी इंटरव्यू में जाके बैठिए, आप चाहे किसी के भी लगे इंटरव्यू में बैठिए, वेदांता के इंटरव्यू में बैठिए या फोर्टिस के इंटरव्यू, they will ask only 3 or 4 questions from the fresher nurses. Because सब क्या सोचते हैं ये fresher है, इसको इतना ही पता होगा. Generally, and this feeling won't be last. Right? Then today we are going to discuss about the vision of nurses in India, learning pyramid, then element and importance of clinical learning environment, general practice, component, creating an effective clinical learning environment, benefit and challenges and overcome. So in that, I am not going to go deep into that, but we will discuss it together. So first is vision of nurses in India. It must be in that way. So our vision must be in a way. Nurse should have a complete form of completing nurture, where learning and development is important, and it will be throughout the learning process only. Whenever any of the newcomer come into the nursing, they will have the complete learning and development process into the college first. After that they will have the exposure into the clinicals. पहले आप लोग क्या करते हो, फर्स्ट ईयर को क्या करते हैं, आप फर्स्ट लैब आवर्स कंप्लीट कराते हैं. लैब आवर्स कंप्लीट कराने के बाद यू विल हैव द पोस्टिंग इनटू द क्लिनिकल्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट आल्सो दे विल नॉट एबल टू गेट द थिंग्स लाइक यू already have discussed before. We are not having the problem based learning. That is the reason this will be difficult for everyone. Right? Then upskilling by providing the courses and programs. How we can upskill the nurses? कैसे और कर सकते हैं, जैसे GNM किया है, BSc किया है, MSc किया है, जो भी किया है कोर्स, बट
असेसमेंट ऑफ दिस असेसमेंट तो कर ही रहे हैं, ये भी इस तरीके से असेसमेंट है, चाहे नॉलेज का करें, एबिलिटी करें, वीकनेस करें, है ना, क्या उसकी बाउंड्रीज हैं. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को भी हम असेस करेंगे, कितने कम्युनिकेशन एबिलिटीज है, ओवरऑल कैसा कंप्रेशन का है वो असेस करेंगे. आगे
प्रेजेंटेशन देने हैं ये हैं.
They can jump easily from one topic to another. So,
examiner has direct contact with the candidate, assess their communication, presentation skills and overall impression. क्या क्या सबसे बताया है कि हम कैसे उस चीज़ को डायरेक्टली असेस कर रहे हैं, उसी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को ओवरऑल उसने कैसा प्रेजेंट किया और कैसे चीज़ को उसने विधि से निभाया, कंप्लीट किया विद इन टाइम और विद ऑल करेक्ट आंसर्स.
So I have a question. How the Viva was enhance the presentation skills? Because if you are asking a question, it will be limited for either for a half minute or for a 30-second. Then how it will increase the presentation skill? Because presentation, moreover, if we are talking about the presentation, it will at least less for the 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So in that case, how it will be increased?
इसमें प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स में ये नहीं कि हम कैसे प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, इसमें क्या है कि जैसे उसने आंसर डिलीवर किया, अपनी स्किल्स को कैसे उसने प्रेजेंट किया, इस चीज़ को ओवरकम किया, वो चीज़ का इसमें
Okay, they can develop the attitude in giving the small answers. Fine.
Good disease, antibiotic due to personal belief. The nurse faces an ethical dilemma between respecting the patient autonomy and the duty to promote the patient health. The nurse addresses the dilemma by having
being a patient. That person is not a patient, but that is a stimulated patient. We can ask the history about their disease.
in contact with me कितने बच्चे पढ़ा लिए जो भी है ना पीसीस बट वी आर सो हैप्पी जैसे कि जितना आपने हमें कराया है ना ऐसे करके अरे पीछे सीट में बैठ के सोता है
For this, we have a patient satisfaction form in our hospital where we take the consent and for IPD patient and OPD patient. So where we have a 80% satisfaction level for TMU hospital.
हेलो वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू आई एम श्योर यू बीन गोइंग थ्रू a workshop on the
Who is going to volunteer as an actor? There is no prerequisite for that. It is not necessary that the person who is acting as a standardized person or patient needs to have medical qualification. It is not necessary. It can be any actor, any lay person, but it is our responsibility to write appropriate script based on what teaching learning objective we want to achieve through the student. Understand? If you are trying to teach a student about biometric infarction, so how to use a standardized patient in that case? We are going to write a script in such a way that the person will act as if he has got a chest pain. He will act naturally as much as possible, verbalize the manifestation symptoms, gives appropriate history so that the student can note it down and do the necessary medical actions. Understand?
Good morning. First of all, thank you so much, Sileshwar sir, for this fantastic introduction. And before moving forward, I wanted to thank to the nursing college, principal of nursing college, Professor Shuriram, for inviting me to give this session and interact with all of you. Today's topic is effective utilization of PowerPoint as teaching learning resources. Right? So I'm very happy to speak on this topic because it's demand nowadays. See what happened. We all know that because of the large scale macro social forces such as like globalization, people aging, population aging, etc., which actually gives
Whether that will be reflected through this problem scenario, whether the answers will be reflected, whether relevant data are being put, whether there is a relevancy is being present, engagement is present, that then resolution, and whether at the end of this problem-based learning, whether these can be taken as a substantive research for the further paper publication, article, or some kind of derivatives can be out as a patent. You understand? So many things can be bifurcated from the feedback or from the last part of this webinar. Is this clear to you? Next, yesterday we have also seen second part, which is important for your group activity, that is developing the scenario. अब तक आपको समझ में आ गया क्या क्या क्राइटेरियाज रिफ्लेक्ट होनी चाहिए जो सिनेरियो आप डेवलप करोगे. अभी to develop the scenario, what else we need to know? Yesterday we have seen. First one was question only one question I asked. So many different experience, perception and expression, right? Same way, we have to focus with our students also. All students are not same. We should not think every student will perceive what we are telling. We should go into their own world and bring them out for perceiving the what information you are getting. Yes, can you understand? Good? Okay. First question I asked, who are all interested in food, right? Those who want to taste and live, that is exploring. Where you get different, you explore and live. Okay. Next question, in a few answers I received, you want to know what are the ingredients, how they prepare, so that you can try with your, yes? So you can try with that. Here place to some other place. You understand? Yes?
Together here today and express our heartfelt thanks for the successful completion of the 5-day security development workshop at our Extreme Nursing College. I extend our sincere appreciation to the principal ma'am for Professor Shri Singh for providing her valuable guidance and support during this event. Thank you, ma'am. My heartfelt gratitude to the Dean of Nursing, Dr. S.P. Subhashini, for her motivation and continued support during this program. Thank you, ma'am. My thanks to the Vice Principal of Mavi College of Nursing, Professor Dr. Jasmine, and for the support during this workshop. Thank you, ma'am. A big thanks to knowledgeable resource person who contributed their practical expertise in education and academic skills of all of us. We appreciate your participation and support. Finally, a big thank you to the faculty and all the helping hands who have worked behind the scenes to make this event successful. And last but not least, thank you, Mr. Sudeshwar Andrani sir, for tolerating me and support, for your support and guidance. Once again, I thank you all who have contributed their wish and efforts directly and indirectly for the successful beginning of the program. Thank you.